Alrighty. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm gonna turn this down again. There we go. Alright. Well, I don't think anybody's going to watch this. Let me go ahead and make the post though. Let me see, can I copy the URL to this? I suppose I have to open up another tab. Hold on. It's my live stream currently. Oh yeah, here we go. Grab the URL. Copy URL. Ping. Switch to this guy. Oh, okay, I guess you can't. There we go, let's try this. Okay. I might as well upload the image then. Alright. I'm making the post right here, guys. Give me a second. Hey, y'all. Sorry, I was just typing off screen. The last iStream blew up. Here, might as well. Other one. I mean, nobody watched the last one technically. It just got like 130 views almost, which is absolutely absurd. I don't know why I'm getting so many views on that live stream. It's like 2.5 hours. I don't know who's sitting there watching that, but hey, give the people what they want, right? Also, thank you guys for 32 subscribers. This is awesome. Dude, that was like overnight. Like, I hope we get to 50 by the end of the month. I'm just kidding. That's well, that means it's by tomorrow. No, no. Let's by the end of March, we could get to 50, maybe. I don't know, or maybe that's a little ambitious. I would say by the latest, I want to get to 50 by the end of May or June. You know, by the time summer begins. You know, that's not. If I keep going, you know, maybe I will. We'll see. Might as well do another one. Link. Join here. Boop. I think that's I think that's what it will look like. Yeah. If I click on that, there we go. Boom, baby, let's go. All right. So, well, I think that one concurrent viewer, it was moi. Let's hide the live stream. Where are we looking? We're looking at. Let's get rid of that. Let's go here. Alright, we're doing voxel shape. So right now I'm working on my dragon pedestal. I called it a rune in the last live stream, and I feel like a fool because it's not a rune. A rune is like like letters, like ancient letters. A pedestal is more what I'm going for. So I'm trying to combine the lower and upper right now into two different halves that combine into a whole, because I believe, I mean, just looking at this, that's a position 18. That's not going to fit in a 16 by 16. So what I'm doing is figuring out how to combine the two. And obviously there's no textures right now. I see, you can see I named it wrong here. So silly on me. Alright, so let's just see how freaking far I have to move this guy. That was 3. No. Oh. Okay, so the dragon was 5.5. So half a block on the X, And then half a block in the Y. Okay. Or in the Z. Okay. Just delete that. There we go. So have a block in the, okay. I think I could just highlight, oh, no, that's not gonna work. Let's do this. Do this. Alright, just make sure I'm highlighting everything. So we're gonna go, well, hang on. If we do, I think it's 6.5, right? Yeah, let's try it. Oh, that's not, let's do it like that. Okay, so 5.5 maybe? Like that? That might be exactly what, hold on, let's count the shapes. Let's count the shapes. So I think that's actually perfect. So that's like 4, that's like 4, that's 4, and that's about 4, like if you're looking directly down. That is actually perfect. Alright, so here we go. There we go. Let's hide some of these things now. Oh, I need to actually save this, don't I? Shoot. Yeah, I do. Hang on. Save. I need to copy this. Hold on. Where are you? Lower. Here we go. Boom. Yep. Oh, it's still referring to the. Why is it doing that? No. Yes, undo. I don't know why. Okay, hang on. Let me look at the. It's still. File save. Save model? Why the heck is it a... Um... Oh, wait! Oh, I'm stupid. This is the lower one. I'm looking at the upper one. Here we go. That's more like it. Alright, I need to drag the upper one. Or, yeah. Okay. The way. Um... There we go. Now we just go to this guy. Go to the lower one. And then we just, Nope. Oh, that'll still work. Oh, we want the particle to be, we need to put the particle, what is the particle gonna be? Particle will be the base. So R. Nah, not gonna copy all that. Just copy this guy. Oh no. Here we go. Ow, my hips. Alright. I think that looks gooch. Alright, if this doesn't get any views, like this whole live stream, I don't really care. Like this, also it got copyright striked anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I don't know, like I don't understand because right now I am playing in the background. I'm playing, as you can see, no non-copyright lo-fi music. So I don't know, and this isn't the same one I was playing last night, but still, or the other night. But I don't understand why they're using apparently somebody else's song in one of the parts. It was one of the videos. I think I went through like one or two last night, and one of them had one song at like an hour and a half in or 2 hours into my live stream, and I'm like, dude, are you serious? Oh, I might dispute it, but I'm not monetized anyway right now, as of right now, so it doesn't really matter. But it does suck because that video is getting like a lot of views, like for a live stream especially. Like I don't understand. Like I'll show you. Let's do like look at this. It's got 129 views, and I streamed it yesterday. Like, yeah, I'm not really sure. Also, if you're wondering, if you just joined the live stream, if you joined the live stream and you're watching the live stream, not live, if you're wondering what I mean by I'm using ChatGPT, right here, using it to help me actually combine a lot of the stuff, so I need to reference this when I make my stuff. So this we'll see if it's right, but so far it's been pretty helpful, like very helpful. And I've had this conversation been going on for days with ChatGPT. Um, yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I had to make sure I spelled ChatGPT right. Yeah, yeah. So I'll be using that a lot. Right now I don't need to this second, because I'm measuring the voxels, and then I'm gonna combine them. So let's go ahead and do that. So the min z is okay. Oh, hold on. Now it's a different position. So hang on. Min x is gonna be 5.5 now. I guess 10.5 or hang on. So and you're not gonna see me moving the shape. You're just gonna see me coding. So it's okay though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5.5 to 6. Wait, no. 3, 4, 5.5. Is this? Yeah, 5 and then 0.5. So this is 1, 2, 6.5. Yeah, 10.5. Yep, that's right. I think that's the same for Z. So yeah, Z is gonna be exactly the same. And then the next shape is the base. I think it doesn't matter if they intersect. Silence my phone also, just in case people try to call me or whatever. Sweet. There we go. Oh, yeah. Alright, so I think let's do. Ooh, hang on. There we go. And then we want the x is going to be, well no, let's start with the y. So the y is 1 it's 2 blocks tall, so it goes from 1 to 3. So size is 3, so it goes to 4, I think. Yeah. Yeah, so max y is 4. Min x is think it's gonna be 4.5 for both the min X and min Z. And then the max is going to be that plus the size. So, get the I don't feel like mathing right now, so. Yep, simple math, I know. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm just looking at my phone. Let's see. So I think that's correct. And then we want this one to be oh, this is gonna be tricky. So the third voxel shape, we're just gonna restimate it, rough estimate, yeah. Alright, let's take a look. So the min y is going to be this is what I'm looking at right here. So if this one was 3 tall and this one's 1 tall, if this is probably about, I don't know, I'd say, oh, sorry, we're actually looking at this guy. It's about halfway down. It's 3 tall, so it's about like maybe a one pixel down. If this is 3, yeah, we'll say like the y goes from, and this is like 0.8, so 0.8 plus 3 for 0.8. We'll do 4, so we'll do 4 tall. Sorry, I'm trying not to move them. Let's see. So if we did 1, 2, 3, so let's do min y is 3, max y is plus 4, right? So, oh, I didn't mean to put max y is so if it's 3 blocks tall and the other one's about 0.8, let's do 3.5. Let's do 3.5 taller, right? So because it's 0.8, so it's about a whole block, but it's halfway up. So 3.5. So what? 3.5 plus 3. That's, I can do that math. That's 6.5. There we go. The x on the other hand though is a little trickier. So I'd say it's about, since the size is 1.3 and I'm assuming it's about 0.3 sticking out, give or take. Sorry, I know it's like hard when you can't see the reference, but yeah. Maybe I'll code on my right screen so you guys can see better. So this stick's sticking out about like 0.3. Sorry, I'm just looking to see if the live stream's popping off. Nope, nobody. All right. Let's see. So if this was 4.5, 4.5 plus minus 0.3 is going to be 4.2. and the max will be whatever the end was plus 0.3. So 11.5 plus 0.3 is gonna be 11.8. That should be good. And then the Z is going to be the same as the other, as the base. Or no, we'll make it, no, we're gonna make it the same because we want, there's gonna be things that go on top of this, so we want the voxel shape to be pretty consistent all around, I think. But, I mean, it's kind of hard to really tell how far in this is. Because, like, this position is 5.4. I mean, we could do a Z of 5.4 for the min Z. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll do 5.4. Let's do that. And then max Z is going to be... So it's about 0.9 pixels in, right? Because if the min Z for the base is 4.5, so if it's 0.9 pixels in on the right side, you can assume that it's 0.9 subtracted from 11.5, which is going to be 10.4. I can do that math. Shoot. Okay. Just, click off the cube. I don't want to click on the cube. Jeez. Alright, that was scary. I was like typing numbers, but I wasn't typing them on the thing. So 10.4, I think I said. Yeah, this is why I type on the right side, so I can see. Alright, so... Alright. I mean, this should be relatively good, I think. And then we're going to do the union of all three of these. So let me go to... It's going to be... voxel shapes s dot union of SU1, SU2, and then SU3, and then dot simplify. Sure, I think that's what this guy did. So, so shape, and then we'll do S. Oh no. So shape lower 1. We'll do this as the bottom should be a little easier, but also yeah, it should be a little bit easier. So we don't need to put the textures on this right now. We just need to get the voxel dimensions. So this one is, I'd say, the min. So it's floating only because, well, because it's supposed to look like it combines with the gilded plate. So that's why it's floating. However, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to, sorry, I'm going to change that so that it's loaded like normally by default, but then the final version is going to raise it up 1. I think that makes a lot more sense. It makes sense in my head, at least. I mean, I did it like this because I didn't know. Yeah, so let's just, There we go. Now it's on the ground. For now, that should be... Yeah, so that's okay. That's, go ahead and delete, this, and this. More textures, ah. I think there's only 3 bottom ones, yeah. And I think this is base A. I think this is base B. And then I think, yeah, and this guy is, oh, wrong one. So this is just temporary. I'm gonna detail them later. I just want to get the block in the game for now. Also, I might change the shape. I think this kind of looks too big, but it's kind of hard to tell from, you know, all this. I just realized the display was not changed. That's okay. It doesn't really matter. We'll figure that out after. I don't know how it's going to, I have no idea. Well, I guess we'll see it when it's done. This is very complicated because it's so many variables. Like the only variable the bottom has is the gilded, the plate being placed underneath it, which is it's whatever. It's whatever. We'll figure it out. We will figure it out. It's all possible. I can tell you that much. I've practiced. Trust me. I have been testing. So let's do this. So file. If I open up the lower one. Yes, it's the correct stuff. Cool. Let's go ahead and drag that bad boy over then, so we don't forget. Up and lower. This is just so it's a little lower to the ground, and we'll move it when it gets placed on top of the gilded plate later. Yeah, I think what we'll do is destroy the oh, I was like, what is that? Yeah, red line. Yeah, that's good. Lower. We'll destroy the gilded plate when it's placed on the ground first, and then place the pedestal above it, or like wherever it goes. Yeah, yeah. Nobody's watching. I put a post out and everything, so. But you know, it's a live stream. Gotta live. Stay alive, baby. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Live streams are weird on YouTube, you know, because you don't get really any viewage, like you don't get any exposure while it's live. At least that's from what I've found. I barely ever get viewers on live, if any. I never get viewers on live streams. So not that I'm like complaining or anything. I don't really care. I mean, it would be awesome if I had chat and all that stuff. One day maybe I will, but I mean, I can't complain. Dude. I got 32 subs. I'm happy with that right now. You know, but obviously that's not where I'm going to stop. I want to keep going, but but that video, the first live stream I did with this, it got all the views and no views live. It's really weird. But yeah, sorry not to get distracted. I just thought that was interesting. Um, hmm. They made theirs protected. That's exactly what I did. Um, um, okay, so yeah, back to voxel mod. Sorry, I'm getting so distracted. Um, this one's only gonna have 3 as well, so very simple. It's like combining and combining. And it's like, yeah, I mean the fabric wastelands mod could do it. And shout out to that guy. I'm not copying your mod. Trust me, this is nothing. This has nothing to do with what wastelands and teleporting. I'm just using your source code as a reference because I know how to code and I know what your code does, and I figure, well, if it's publicly posted, it's meant to be, for other people to kind of be inspired from, Uh, it's not like I'm copy pasting his code. Yeah. Anyway, just figured I'd mention that. Because people will be like, oh, you're just copying from him. It's like, well, no, this is what coders do. They look at references. And, yeah. Size is 12, so it goes to 14. And the min y is 0, the max y for this one is 1. The min z is the same thing, 2 to 14. And then you got voxel shape 2. Alright. And then for this guy, it's same thing basically. It's going to be, it's too tall, so 3. Min z is, I think, the same as that thing, yeah. So as the x, which is in this case 3n. Max x is it's 10, so it's 13. Yeah, and then same thing with this guy. And this guy is a little different. He's going to be 5.5, and then min y is going to be 3. So, because the last one ended at 3, yeah, so it starts at 3, ends at, size of 9, so, I think I'm gonna put, like, yeah, it doesn't matter. Max y is, yeah, I just want to make sure everything proportionally looks good. I think it does. I think it should. It should look pretty cool, I hope. I might make the middle part a little bigger, but we'll see about that. I just didn't want it to look too girthy. It's a pedestal where the fossil head goes on and all that, so yeah. Max y is, that's 9, that's 12. Right, so 5, 6, Or no, sorry, is it 11? No, it's not 11. I'm still stupid. No, it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. Yeah, God. I can math, guys. Come on now. Don't even kid yourself. You guys will not clip that and show me not doing math. That is not what's gonna happen here. There we go. I think that's that. Alright, and now cool. I think I need to look at GPT. Let's see. So, with half lower. That's what this says. This one doesn't say that. This one says, oh no, it just has other things. I think it. Mm, I think I need a facing direction too, don't I? Yeah, I do. Shoot. Okay. No. Alright, and then there we go. Worry about that crap later. So now you can kinda, if you were paying attention to this, you'd see, hey, this is what's going in it. So I'm gonna place the Heart of the Sea in it. I'm gonna place the Dragon Fossil head on it, and then I'm gonna place the Orb Infinium, which I don't think I showed in the last live stream. I've actually made a lot more progress on the. I've actually finished. Well, I actually technically I finished the idol. As you can see, if you're looking at all these files over here, I finished it. So, I mean, practically finished it. Still gotta do the loot tables and all that jazz, but I'll show that in the live stream later. So, if you're watching, if you've gotten this far into the live stream, well, number one, congrats. Number two, keep waiting to the end, because I will show the finished result of a lot of things, hopefully by the end of this live stream. And I'm gonna end this live stream when I have to go eat, which it will be in an hour from now. So the live stream has been going on for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes now. Yeah. So yeah, yo. So that's what we'll go and do, Chief. So let's do the get outline shape method, I think. Yeah. So I'm just gonna copy this whole thing for now, and then placed it. I'm gonna paste it right here. Get rid of all block view. I don't need that. Hang on. What is Shut Your Point Idle has? Oh, it does. Yeah, maybe it does. I wish it would auto import some of these clauses, but sorry. I'm like, I need to stun. All right. Oh, sure. I'm not sure what the heck that was all about. All right. So return. Uh. So it's separated by comma. So shape upper, comma, I guess shape lower, comma, Boolean by function. Do I have to import this? Yeah. Else return. Oh. Upper. Wait, what? Hold on. Let me compare this to the way they do this. Get outline placement. So they just did this, which I think is better. I think. Let me just comment this out for now. I'm going to just do this. I'm gonna do shape lower and then shape upper. There we go. Okay, so we'll do that for now. What's it saying? Oh, let's add that suppressing warning. Suppress warnings. Here we go. Nice. That should get rid of that. There we go. Sick. Dude, this guy is like, this is like the best. Like, I use this mod a lot. It's a great mod. Shout out to Fabric Wastelands. If I doubt, I bet $1 million he'll never watch this. Don't call me on that. But if for some reason he does, thank you for this mod. It's amazing. Not only is it a fun mod to use in Minecraft Fabric, but it's helping me a lot, like a lot. So, all right. There we go. So that's the shapes, and then next thing is the get neighbor crap, which I don't, honestly, I'm just going to just move this here. Or actually, yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of it entirely. So we're gonna leave this guy here, and then we're gonna get this. I don't know if this is necessary, but that's why we're double checking the I don't think there's a method called this, but we're about to find out. I think it's from an older version of Minecraft. So let's just double check real quick. Yeah, it doesn't exist. And world access is yeah. Is never used. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't override method. So hang on, let me tell ChatGPT that. Method. Oh, you guys can see it now. Hang on. Let me grab my code, slap it over here. All right. Now you get to see me use ChatGPT. Method get state for neighbor. Date. Oh, it does not override method from super class. Cool. Can you resend me the pedestal Java code with a correct method you showed earlier here with the correct method for get for name. It's not always gonna be right. Update from block with. Is it block with entity? Yeah. Block with entity. Block with entity. This should work, hopefully. If not, that's gonna be sucky. I don't even know if I need this. Dude, like, look how useful this is. This is ridiculous. Like, I mean, I get it. It might be like cheating. I don't know. Is it cheating? It's AI, bro. It's code using code to help code. Like, it's all it is. It's all, if you really think about it. Block sound group. What? Okay. Not sure why I would need that. Right now at least. Hit result. I don't know if I need all that. Block view. Block. Yeah. World. Entity provider. Oh god, dude, come on now. Man. I hope it prints the whole thing. Alright. Yeah, it's not slow. It's not that slow, at least. It's faster than I would figure it out. Get state from neighbor update. That's the same method you just used, buddy. See, it gets things wrong. I'll just correct it in a second once it's done. Once it finishes. If it finishes. Oh, is it giving me more than it gave me before? I don't even understand. On use. What do you mean on use? I don't know what on use means. I'm not gonna use it. What? I don't know. No, it doesn't help. You did it wrong. Get state for name for update is not a method. God. Yes, it's not. Oh, in later versions. What do you mean it exists in later? No, it doesn't. I'm using 1.19.2. It does not exist. What are you on about? Unless I'm crazy. What are you talking about, bro? Oh, never mind. I'm sorry. You're right. I'm sorry. I'm wrong. I apologize. Sorry. Thank you. I'll just say thank you. You're right. I'm dumb because I had to import this episode. Okay. I was like, what are you talking about? Ah! Like, anyway. So it is a method apparently in 1.19 or 17 and up. What, Charlie? Sorry, my dog wants to get in my lap on my new chair. Yeah, I know. Okay. So I'm sitting crisscross. Alright, so that is that. I don't need the on-use crap. So that's that. Let's get rid of this guy. Can place block. Is that really unnecessary? Null? I don't think null is a good idea, but sure. If half equals upper. Boy. Oh, we need to add facing as well. Facing. And then we already have this, so we can get rid of this guy. And then we grab this guy right here. I don't know if we need this, but I have worldview. Oh, what? World axis and worldview are two different things, I guess. There we go. New block placement context. What? Is this method I need? I don't know. On use. So, jeez, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Do I need this method? I really don't know. I don't see it in the Waystones one, so we're not gonna use it. If I don't need it, I'm not gonna use it. Okay, yeah, there we go. So they have on use. So get placement state. I think that's pretty much right. There we go. This is -1 on the example that they're using. Let's do -1. Oh wait, they didn't do direction north. They did sorry, that's dumb. With ctx dot get player facing dot get opposite. There we go. So yeah, that's the same. Get outline shape looks the same on break. I'm not really worried about right now. I mean, I should have everything I need, but I just want to make sure. I have to make sure. Otherwise, it's gonna suck. State replace. We don't care about fluid. Oh, they do have gate neighbor update. They do. But what is this? This is waterlogged. Okay. Well, we'll remove this as this is a problem. But I don't know. That's what they recommended. So, let's make sure we have everything. So, apply universal entity. That looks good. I do think we do need that. That looks good. We need to get the variants. So, all right. Let's use their reference again. Kind of. I'm gonna kind of use their reference. Oh! I got a live viewer. What's up, viewer? Which What are you making? Ancient artifacts sounds pretty cool. What does it do? Okay. Lapis. What's up, Lapis? Thank you for tuning in. I'll tell you in a second. Tell you real quick. One sec. Yeah, so whenever you get to this part of the stream, what does it do? It's, yo. So what this mod is gonna do, and let me just, I'm gonna remove the, pedestal block for now, so it doesn't break anything. Once you get here, I'll explain it real quick. So if you didn't watch my last live stream, it kind of explained it, but I'll go ahead and explain it once this project builds. So it's a, oh, shoot. Okay, that's not gonna work. Let me just, I think the only thing that's gonna break if I don't, oh, let's hope it actually builds first of all. I think it will. So I'm building it for 1.19.2 right now, right? And it's gonna also be for 1.20 whenever that comes out. I think the only thing that's gonna happen if I don't put the texture is the texture won't load for the pedestal, which is fine. So let me just show you. New viewer. Sick. Yeah, so this is probably, yeah, so my last live stream didn't get any views, unfortunately, so welcome. Basically, I don't remember the name of the video, but there was a guy made a Minecraft video a while back. He's a pretty popular Minecrafter, talking about, and I'm sure other people talked about this as well, but they talked about how easy it is to kind of, you know, for people that play Minecraft a lot, you know, they get to the end by, you know, filling up the end portal frames and then beating the other dragon and getting the wings, right? And, you know, for a lot of people, like a lot of people complain that it's supposed to be a late game thing, you know, to get elytra, and yeah, and you know, and fly, you'll be able to fly around, get rockets, get a gunpowder farm, and then boom, you can fly around the world. All you got to do is beat the like, I mean, it doesn't sound like hard in concept, but like if you've played Minecraft long enough, you know, it doesn't really feel like a late game thing. And so what I've done is I'm going to make a kind of to go along the lines of the archaeology update that's coming out, where you like can find those smithing templates and find, you know, those different things like around the world, like the ones that they made for the different biomes, like the rare biomes and all that. I've kind of taken that concept and I'm applying it to artifacts. So all these different items I have in my hand and in my inventory are found in, yeah, so this isn't loading, but that's fine. I'll fix that in a second. But all these different items are going to be items that you find either from killing certain mobs or breaking certain blocks or from certain from certain structures or biomes or whatever. So for example, the idol I've been working on for a while, right? It basically, it's found in the jungle temple, or it will be in the chest in the jungle temple, and depending on how rare the jungle temple is, I'll probably increase the chances of finding it probably by a lot, right? The evoker's key, which is like, it's got the little evoker symbol on it, or head, I guess, on it. It'll be found in the Within Mansion. So this will force you, kind of, etc., right? And this will force players to, you know, explore the world and go to all these hard to find places in the game before they've beaten the Ender Dragon, you know? So let me just turn that down a little bit. And so like you'll have to like make different things. Like I've got all the crafting recipes kind of planned out. Like for example, the Elder Guardian will drop Elder Guardian scales. The Desert Temple will have this pendant. This idol, by the way, is reference to the Indiana Jones golden idol from the first movie, but it's like a villager head. So yeah, so let me show you how it works. So get this key from the mansion, you put it in here, and it does that. And then you take this pendant you get from the desert temple, you put it in the nose, and it does that. You take the scales, goes in there, and you take this elixir potion, which I'll show you how that works. So the reason why I called this so before I'm jumping ahead, sorry. So you have to make this one potion for part of the whole kind of recipe, right? So let me get an awkward potion. Awkward potion. And let's get, I think this already has some blaze powder. Yes, it does. So let's put that in there. And I made this potion recipe called the Elixir of Drake. And Drake is supposed to be like the Swedish word for dragon. You know, kind of referencing Mojang and all that. And then I gave it 5 different recipes. So in order, it goes, I believe, let me make sure I do this right. So mycelium dust, which you get from using a shovel on mycelium, like grass. Black ice, which you find from an igloo chest. Red ice, which, yeah, custom structures. Perhaps you could have a boss. Yeah, so of the elytra or something. Yeah, I know I'm explaining a lot of it. So that's actually an interesting question. So, yeah, you know, I've thought about making like a custom mod boss. Like my brother, actually, I was showing him the mod, right? And I'm thinking about making like a boss that this turns into, maybe. Yeah. And I'm also thinking about making some of these items have different effects. And then I'm also thinking about making a new enchantment for the elytra, so that the elytra is more rewarding, right? So what I might do is make the potion, the elixir that I'm making, give you like longer flight or faster flight or something. I don't know, something cool like that. I might make a boss. The boss might come out, you know, after the like as a future update of the mod, right? And then maybe structures. I don't know. I might add some custom structures, but I kind of want to keep it somewhat vanilla, you know? Like, I want to kind of force players that are familiar with the game to explore places they're familiar with, right? Golem type boss. Yeah, it does kind of look like a golem type boss, yeah. So, and I put the dirt in the middle for the sake of memes, you know, as like a dirt is like an ancient relic. Yeah, so I'm thinking of kind of doing like somewhat OP. Yeah, the elytra is already kind of OP, but if I make it 10 times harder, you know, to collect and whatnot, I might you know, make it. I don't know how far back my live stream is. It looks like that's kind of far. Anyway, sorry, I'm looking over at the screen to chat. I might. God, this music's kind of loud too. Sorry, I'm gonna turn it down just a tad. There we go. Sorry, it's a little loud right here. Anyway, so yes, I think it will be really cool for the 1.20 update. But yeah, so I'm thinking of a lot of different ideas, and I'm open to hear suggestions, right? Like, I'm very much so open to hear what anybody is kind of considering, like, you know, like what I can add, because this can really go anywhere. But so the first recipe to the awkward potion is, I believe, the dust, but let me double check. No, it's not the dust. It's something else. I think it's the crap. Shoot, what is it? What is it? What is it? It's I should know. Crap. Is it in here? Oh, yeah, I know what it is. I have 2 more pieces. So, nethergrass, which you'll find in a room portal. So, let me do that. So, that will make the first version of this potion. I don't know if I want to make the versions of the potions, like the bases. I'm calling them bases, like bases 1 through 5. Since there's going to be 5 pieces that go into this. It's a very complicated mod, so that would be kind of the cool part about it, in my opinion. The file's already, what, like 100 megabytes, the whole thing. So that'll make elixir base 1, and then I think I put in I think I put this guy in next. Yes. So that would be that, and then I think I need base 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think that's it. And then I need the Warden's Heart. So the Warden's Heart will drop from a Warden. I think I'm gonna make it like a 33% chance of dropping. I think that'll be kind of cool. I don't know. I also kind of used like the textures from the Warden to kind of make this texture. So let's see. This goes in next. Yep. So that'll be base 2. Right now it's just a nausea effect, so you're not like kind of encouraged to drink it, right? So yeah, let me see. So what's it called? There we go. So this is base 3, and then this will be base 4. I might make the actual final potion like the potion, by the way, the reason why I'm making the potion, it's gonna go into this, and you'll see what that'll do in a second. I've got a little bit more work to do. Like, I'm getting there, but it's and also I've got these totems, so I've got 2 totems I've made, and I might give those abilities too. So the Totem of Order is found in any village chest. The Totem of Chaos will be found in a pillager outpost, and I'm gonna make them actual blocks so that you can place only on this and this. So the Totem of Order will go here, the Totem of Chaos will go here. So it'll kind of act like, you know, part of the structure. So that would be base 4, and then I put this here. Kind of an outlandish idea of a radar. The radar would help you locate the item. It's like key mobs. Ooh. Oh, you're good. Yeah, no worries. That's a oh, 20 minutes. Oh, no worries. Well, this live stream is getting posted, by the way. So if you do leave, no worries. Just go ahead and subscribe, follow me, and the live stream will be here once the video's done. Once the live stream ends, you'll see it on there. So if you wanna, I'll keep explaining it as if you're watching. So yeah, no, feel free to head out if you gotta head out. I'll probably be live for another like 30 minutes to an hour. So, what's it called? Oh, let me press the live button. There we go. I just want to see how close I am to live. All right. Because I know there's a bit of delay on this live stream. Yeah, so now it's the Elixir Drake, and right now it's just levitation, so if I drink it, it just gives you like 10 seconds of levitation, I think. Something like that, or 5 seconds. I can't remember. Is it 10? Yeah, it's 10 seconds. So, kind of to fit with, I might make it like a potion that you drink that gives you more than, like, its own custom, like, dragon type effect, and maybe make the splash potion like something that gives like the dragon's breath effect. I don't know, or maybe that's already a potion. I think it is actually. Yeah, maybe it's not dragon's breath. That's kind of what the Elixir Drake is in a sense, but it's custom, you know, homebrewed. So anyway, what's it called? So the potion goes in here, and then boom, the lies light up, and then the potion obviously will get consumed in survival, and then you get this thing called the Orb Infinium. It kind of looks like an experience orb, or that's what I'm going to try to make it look like. That might be a little tricky. I might, you know, I'm going to make the model of the block at least 3D, right? The orb will go into the, there's going to be another block called the Dragon's Fossil, and it's going to be like the fossil of the Ender Dragon head, and you'll find that one in a dungeon, if I'm not mistaken. So if you're wondering, yeah, the radar does sound like a good idea. I'm gonna make a wiki page linked to the Curse Forge. What's it called? Like once I post this on Curse Forge, I'm gonna make a wiki page and link it there, and I'm gonna kind of give step-by-step directions and like of where everything is, what the craft, you know, how to find everything, and it's like a combination of, it's a very complex and outlandish kind of mod, but it's supposed to like give you a sense of like, I want to add things like, my brother pointed out something really important when I was working on this and showing them this, is that there needs to be some sort of reward that's unique to the game, like unique to this mod, other than the Elytra. So I'm going to kind of come up with that, but if you guys have any suggestions, definitely feel free to, like, you know, comment on my post, comment on this live stream. But yeah, I know I'm talking a lot. I'm really sorry. Um, so also I have this lever. It's gonna go in the middle. The crafting recipe for it is I actually have a couple of the crafting recipes now. Let me get a crafting table. Yeah. Uh, So the crafting recipe for some of these things is I need a blaze rod. I need a uh, echo shard, and then I need a wither skull. So you'll have to actually kill a wither, which will be really cool. And it gets even cooler, trust me. Like all the different items. Like this gives me a lot of potential to do more things with it. So, wither skull. Here we go. Boom. And now I'm going to, I think it's the recipe is this. So boom, boom, boom. There we go. The ether lever, I'm going to make like a 3D model, and it's going to go right here on the dirt block. This is Nender bricks, by the way. If you're wondering what these blue blocks are, I custom designed them. They're going to be found in the chest of nether fortresses. Um, that's kind of the plan, at least. Um, and I'm probably gonna make the chance of finding them a little higher so you can actually build with them. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I'll make them naturally spawn in the world. I really don't know. But I haven't come up with all that yet. This is just I'm making the very bare bones version of this mod, and I say that with no seriousness at all because this is not bare bones whatsoever. The other crafting recipe I have is another really cool one. So I made this thing called the end staff. I know there's already a block called the end rod. That's not the same thing. So you take this ender rod, which you find in the stronghold actually. You take what is it? You take the Eye of Ender, which is right here, and then you take a Nether Star, which means you have to kill a Wither at least once. And you take that, and it looks like this, I believe. Yep. So the end staff is the final piece of the puzzle, basically, more or less. And when everything's kind of built and said and done, you're gonna use it on the dragon rune and the dragon fossil with everything placed in there, and it's going to combine, and then it's gonna activate the end portal. So right now the end portal is disabled, and you'll combine it, and then the end portal will be re-enabled, basically. Or yeah, and you'll be able to like finish it. So, yeah. So that's, and I might give this like a special ability, like this might be a custom weapon. I don't know yet. That's something that's gonna be a very expensive weapon, but you know, it might be something really cool. Like it might teleport mobs or something, or maybe like it'll give like the wither effect of them as well. I don't know, like some sort of combination of the three. I don't know yet. I want it to be kind of relevant to the mod, but also kind of powerful and rewarding. The rewards will kind of be coded in as I, get the mod tested, get people to use it, right? The totem, order and chaos, maybe I'll use it to kind of, I don't know. Maybe it'll make villagers or pillagers peaceful for a little bit or something, or maybe they won't attack you right away, and then maybe the totem chaos will draw all of them to you. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what these will do when you hold them. Again, yeah, I've got a bunch of different ideas. But yeah, the potion, like I said, it went in there, and then I think that was most of the blocks, right? I've got, a couple more. The gilded plate will go on the bottom of the rune. The rune I'm still working on, as you can see right here, the pedestal. Sorry, I keep calling it a rune. It's not a rune. And you can ignore these blocks. These were blocks I was using to test stuff. So, also the firefly. I don't know if you notice these little dots, but the firefly thing. So if you remember, if you know the firefly, sorry, the light, these guys right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it where when you smelt these in a furnace, you get the firefly orbs, or firefly buds, I guess you call them. You combine those. So let me get all three of these, and then you get glass, I believe. Yeah, and then you do this. Oh, I'm sorry, I need more glass. Boom. There we go. So you do it like this. So you do, I think it's 3 glass here, 3 glass here, and then you do boom, boom, and then boom. There you go, Firefly Orb. The Firefly Orb is what I showed earlier, which goes in the potion. I think other than that, there's not much that's not in the game, in the mod yet, right? Other than some of the functionality, like getting all the items and finding them. Again, I kind of want it to be like I like the radar idea. It's a good idea. I don't get me wrong. And like custom structures would be cool too. The whole purpose of the mod is to add like kind of an additional layer to Minecraft, you know, and maybe add some cool Easter eggs. And I think I want to add also in some of these chests that you find these items in, like a custom note that kind of gives some lore to it. Maybe, I don't know. That'd be kind of cool. But yeah, that's kind of the idea. And now I can now people can watch this live stream now. So if you want to go back and watch my last live stream, I was working on the older one, and you don't have to watch the whole thing. Whoever's watching this right now. Yeah, it kind of, I was working on this guy right here a little bit, and I've kind of textured it a little more. This guy pops up from here, and that's that. So let me go back and work on, kind of got a little distracted, so let me, no, not distracted, but you know what I mean. Kind of got a little sidetracked, you should say. Yeah, let me do this. I need to finish this. I need to work on the code. So yeah, if you're just tuning in, I'm using ChatGPT to help me a little bit. So I don't know if that's a bad thing or a good thing. It's helping me a lot. That's all I'm saying. Is that's why I've titled the video the way I did. And I'm also using the Waystones mod to kind of reference some code. Yeah. But anyway, this is supposed to be a chill sesh. I don't need to be talking a lot. So, but if you guys want to use chat, I'll be paying attention for the most part. Anyway, let's see. Oh, if you're wondering what that background is, that's One Piece background. Let me pull this up real quick. Resources. I need this one. So they do top and bottom. Okay. Where are you? Oh, equals upper. No, sorry, lower. Let's do lower first. Lower. Let's move the order of these. Or never mind. No, we won't do that. That's too messy. I think that's the only other state, right? Yeah, for now. That's the only state right now. Yeah. So back here. So half equals lower. And then we'll do, I think it's just that dragon. Alright, sorry, I'm just pulling my live stream. Pedestal. But yeah, thank you for tuning in, Lapis, Phoenix. I think that's how you say your name, yeah. I like the name. It's cool. But yeah, I'm, let's see. Also, I don't think this is live anymore. No, it's not. Okay. Pedestal. Make sure I spell this right. Lower. And then I think I just copied this. Alright, let's take a look. Yeah, now I'm on the not as exciting part. I mean, if you guys want me to show you more with the mod or show you some more stuff, I can hop back on the mod, but I'll continue where I left off. Some of this lo-fi music in the background. I just wasn't expecting any people to actually watch, honestly. I think the most views I get on a live stream is like 2 or 3. Yeah. Alright, so let's do this. Boop. So let's do. Oops. Oh, might as well change these two. Oh. There we go. Burr. There we go. Cool. So there's that. Something's wrong with this one. There we go. I think that's that. Hopefully that's correct. Nothing wrong with these. Oh, I did mess up this one. And I did add an extra R there. Okay. There we go. That should be good. And then yeah, so let's take a look at, I think that's it. I'm pretty sure. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Sick, dude. I don't know who's watching. You guys can say what's up if you're still watching. It looks like somebody was watching. For a second, at least. Definitely feel free to, don't be shy, say what's up in the chat if somebody is actually watching. Alright, let's take a look at this. Let's see if this worked. I think I have every file I need. I hope. I think all the files are correct too. About to find out. Nope. Oh! I forgot to, wait, no, did I? Hang on. Yeah, I did. I forgot a couple things. So, item. So. Do this. No. Dragon pedestal. I'm like figuring so much right now. Dragon pedestal. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna turn the music back up now that I'm not talking. There we go. Let's see. So we need the item. We don't need the. Yeah, this is under blocks. Yep, that's correct. And then, did we register the block? I think that was. Did we do the translation? No, we did not. So I forget the name of the. You know what? I'm just gonna pull it up right now because I wanna shout out this guy out because he's great. I am following a tutorial for most of this, or I was for the most part, and I still am. I'm just using. So shout out to this guy. Modding by Caponenjo. I don't know if you probably, if you don't mod or don't know much about modding, and you probably not heard of this guy, but if you are a Fabric modder in the modding community, you probably watch this guy's tutorials if you do any of this stuff. If you totally want to get into this type of stuff, I 100% recommend this guy. He's great. His tutorials are fantastic. He's got tutorials for different versions. He's got so many different things. These have been super helpful. He's definitely been the source of truth for a lot of the stuff I'm following right now. He helps you build the project. You know, I was building it in Visual Studio, which if anybody would rather do that, totally up to you. I can kind of make a video showing that because that was not in the tutorial or online in general. It's kind of tricky, but I figured out how to do it. It's not you're not meant to really build this all in what's it called in Visual Studio, but I'm able to build it. It's just you need some plugins, you need some other things. It's a little easier in IntelliJ, but if you don't like IntelliJ, then there you go. I figured I'd just mention that though. Might as well. Alright, so pedestal. There we go. I think that's it. There we go. I think that's it. And we registered it. Yep. Looks correct. Alright. Let's take a look. Alright, let's see. Let's see if it worked, baby. Let's see what it looks like. Alright, please work. No, it's not working. No, what's wrong? Hang on. I know exactly what to do. Now that I know what I'm doing. Let's move this over here. Pedestal. It's missing something. What's it missing? Inventory. File not found. What do you mean? What do you mean it's not found? Oh, wait, what? Wait. Oh, it's looking for, hold on. Oh, I see. So, okay, so it's looking for the dragon pedestal JSON, but what it doesn't have that. So that's what we need to figure out is can we quit? There we go. Let's take a look at his mod. So models block. So the block, he doesn't have. He has a top and a bottom, but how do you reference? I'm only using this to reference half blocks, double block halves is what they call them. I don't know. It's really confusing, really dumb. But here we go. Block. Where? What? Am I just dumb? Oh, wait a minute. What about the translation? Maybe it's lower and upper. And then you do, upper, like, two piece, yeah. I think that's how you do it. Let's look at his English thing. Let's see what he did with his. Which is under the lang folder. Oh. I could probably just get back. Oh, he's got multiple languages? The heck? Oh, that's so cool. I could probably do that. But for now, I'll just do that. Waystone. Wait. Oh, item group. Um, I can't spell apparently. Is it a block and an item? Okay, sure. That makes sense. Why wouldn't it? Alright, so I guess you just need the one for the block. Uh, I'm totally forgetting something. Oh! Block, the item. Oh. That's the problem. That's the problem. It's the item. It's the, assets. Items. Waystone. Here it is. Oh, wait. Oh, let's ask ChatGPT then. Um, it's the... Did I spell something wrong? Um... Oh, that was weird. Okay. Oops. And then... Let's do it like this. Maybe this will help. Oh wait, no, this is an item. I'm so dumb. Well, okay, if that's not it, then... I don't know. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Dude, I really don't know. Wow, average duration. Wow, that's crazy. Sick. Alright, what am I missing? So here's the upper, the lower. These are the model files, right? Yeah. And that's all the... Hold on, I'm just gonna have to really look into this. Make sure I did everything right. Models, block, waist and top and bottom. Yeah, I have a top. They don't have any, just one that combines the two. Nope. No, they do not. Okay, so top and bottom. And then for items, you just have the one. I already confirmed that. For textures, you have all the textures. That's fine. It says it's missing... Unable to load model. What does that mean? What does that mean, Dragon? Huh. Oh. Wait. Oh, hey, I'm back. Oh, what's up? No, it's going good. Still trying to I'm trying to figure out currently why the texture is not loading for the item. Um, my theory is I've either misspelled something or, I have, I don't know. I know I put this part in right, so the translation's here correctly, but the block state is, it's the item that's not loading. So let me show you real quick. So this rune is going to look like, it's going to be these two things combined. So it's going to be this combined with this. And then on top of this is going to be the fossil head from the dragon's fossil thing that you find in the dungeon. This, yeah, I'm trying to combine the two basically. So, let's see. Let's see if this works. Path featured. I don't know what that even, how that works. How does copy relative path? Oh, I can't place it. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, so, yeah, you'll have to tell me what that is. I should know what that is, but copy relative path. It says right here, unable to load model, ancient artifacts, block. So under block models, it's not able to load. Oh wait, cause it's. I don't know. This is weird. So, pedestal upper and lower. It says from the inventory, file not found exception. It can't find the file dragonpedestal.json for models. Yeah, it's because there isn't one. But why? What reference is that? It says if you right click it, hopefully it'll say copy relative path. Then it'll copy the path. It'll copy your path on the folder in it. So not the direct route. Okay. So you're saying you say right click this. No, that's not it. You said if you right click, hopefully it'll say copy relative path. You would have to right click over the file. Oh, I see. There's a reference. You can copy reference path like that. File. This one. Let's see if what he says. I think this thing's like 30 seconds to a minute delayed. I'm gonna copy it. It says you can do. Let's see. File name, absolute path. Not sure which one I do. Yeah, which one of these do I do though? I'm assuming. Yeah, you said it looked like yeah. So not the direct route, but from that folder. So that would be. I think one of these. It's one of these three. Path from the context route. Oh, thank you. Sorry, the live stream is delayed. So I copy that, and then you said, and then yeah, but then what do I need to paste it though? Oh, you mean like you're saying like it's saying it can't find this file because it wasn't there, but what would we hold on. So Are you saying like in here for the item, or are you saying like what do I do with that path now that I have it? That's what I need to figure out. Dragon pedestal, and then I have I don't know if I need this. Maybe I need this cam playsat method. I don't think I do, but you know what? I might need this. Let's. This is if. Let's explain. Yeah, no, you're good. I got Discord. I got you. Let me. Of course, dude. I got Discord. Let's disable streamer mode. Me. Oh, you don't mind? Alright, sounds good. I'll put Discord on the side. Hang on. My name is... Hang on. Copy this, put it in the chat. Boop. There you go. That's my Discord name. Alright, let me try... Might be... Oh, that was quick, jeez. There you go. Let me turn this music down. Just wave back. Alright. Don't worry, I won't share your Discord name on live. Shoot, this is cool. If you wanna, you can call on here. I'm just gonna. Let me see. Let's do this. Oh, that's not what I. That's not what I want. That's okay. Yeah, just call whenever. It's fine. I don't know if I need this though. Oh. Okay, never mind. You're good. You're good. We just delete the just track the just in case people start spamming me on the Discords. Yeah, you take your time, no worries. So let me recopy the path reference. So there's lower and upper though. This is tricky. Oh, you know what? I think it could be this. I don't know. Let me try. Try that. I don't know. Nope, go for it. I'm just oh, there we go. Can you hear me?
Yeah, what's good?
What's up, dude? Let me turn up my Discord real quick. Hang on.
Get picked up.
There we go. Now I can hear you. Yeah. So let me see if this. Oh, I think that worked. It well, it does the lower. I think. So the item. Oh, no, I still can't place it though. That's the problem. So you said copy the path, but.
Yeah. Uh, so I was using it like reference of VS Code.
Mhm.
So I'll try to show you if you can see it here.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah.
Um.
So.
Okay. That's better. So here we have copy relative path, and so it doesn't copy like direct root like this does.
Mhm.
It would just copy the path to the file relative to whatever you're in.
Yeah.
So if I do right here and then I copy relative path to here, it'd be like that.
Yeah. No, that makes sense. I'm just trying to figure out where that needs to go. You know what I mean?
That part, that's more on your project. I don't know how
Yeah.
your project
No,
is
that makes
structured,
sense.
so.
Yeah. No, I get what you're saying. I'm trying to get it to combine the items, like the item texture of both the upper and lower JSON block models, and then I'm trying to get the block to place. That's the only two things that aren't working now. But yeah, I get what
Are
you're
you
saying though.
sure that it's actually registered as like a block?
It is, yeah. It's under the mob blocks file. It's registered as a block. It's just using the item for the item texture. It just references the block texture. But since it's a double block, it's two block models combined. I'm trying to do it based on the double block half variable, which is half, which is right here. Just combines. It just toggles with its upper lower, but I don't know if it's all written correctly. But that's the only problem.
See, I don't really code in Java or anything, so I'm
No,
not
yeah, I don't
totally
blame you.
sure. But can you do like a property type thing? So like have a what's it called? Like a status type thing where it just checks if it's been clicked by
So yeah,
by a thing or whatever.
I think I get what you're trying to say. Like you're trying to say like check to see if like when you place it down, like does it like load both models, like both half upper and lower?
What, what I meant was like, can you make it so like part of the actually? Never mind. Because I guess what I'm thinking, you'd have to design it in a very specific way, and I don't think you're trying to have it. I don't think you're trying to have it that way. But I get what you're doing. I'm just trying to think
So
about this.
basically what I'm trying to do is like okay, so the reference I'm using is a mod called Wasteland mod. So what they did is they have two I might have it up here. So they have two block models. One looks like this. This is the top half, and then the bottom half of the model is this. It basically what they did with their with the
Yeah.
Wastelands mod is they combined the two block models. And then when you place the block down, it just loads both as if it's half of a block. Since a block in default by Minecraft is only 16 pixels, and this allows you to do a block that's bigger than 16 pixels, basically. And that's all I'm trying to do is just combine the upper and lower half of these two into one block using two block models like as halves that make a whole. That's essentially what I'm trying to do. But when I followed,
Oh.
yeah, it's easier with a.
That's basically. Sorry.
No, you're good. I
Go
was
ahead.
just saying it's easier with a single block, right? But with when you combine two models, that's when it gets a little complicated, right?
Right. See, that's kind of what I was like trying to say, but I wasn't totally sure how to say it.
No, you're good. Sorry, someone else joined the chat.
No,
Just
you're good. You're good.
yeah. Um. Uh, there we go. Yeah, the chat's like, I think a whole minute delayed, so it's like, and then yeah,
That sucks.
yeah, it's just so the quality's better. Um, anywho, oh, hang on, I got like a million freaking tabs open too. uh, where is it? So yeah, like I'm using, like I was saying in the video, I'm using ChatGPT to kind of help me, but the only problem is like it only gets so much right, right? So like if
Right.
yeah, and it's helped me thus far with a lot of stuff. It's gotten a lot smarter, but the only problem is like there's not many other references online other than that mod I found to do like double half blocks. Like there's no tutorial for this type of thing, right? So it's and all of Minecraft is good in Java. Like I know Python and all that stuff too, right? Like I know C# and everything like that. But since Minecraft's in Java, you gotta
Nice.
use JSON and Java, right? So
Nice. Right.
yeah, Java's a freaking pain, dude. I hate it. I hate it so much. Um, yeah. Uh, let me see. So the only problem is, I think what's happening is it doesn't know if it's supposed to be lower or upper, and so it doesn't let you place the block. So I think what I need to do is, well, let me try. I did do one change just now, so let me try that first. Um,
What I find to be helpful is just giving ChatGPT context, explaining what
yeah.
different things do.
Yep. Yeah, exactly. I've learned that too. Is like the more like kind of context you give. Like for example, with this, I've been giving it like the source code, and then I give it context on like what it's missing or what I'm trying to do or where the error is, and it's pretty helpful with that. But yeah, it, yeah, it's
Right.
yeah.
Something I've noticed about it, sorry, one second.
Sorry, I'm gonna make sure I chat up too. So if he, oh, he said I hear the stream of delay. Respawn anchor. How does that work? Does that work?
Sorry. What I noticed is with ChatGPT, um, with each conversation that you have, it builds upon that conversation. So if you have, like, if you're doing one thing inside a
Oh,
conversation and you keep talking about it, it will use the context of what you previously said.
yeah. That I noticed that too. So I think this method's definitely wrong,
So it
but
might help.
you're good. It's saying if block position at get y is okay. Um, if the position of the block is okay. So if I look at the let me ask you what this method does, because this is what it gave me. He said just change the model texture. So sorry, I'm like responding to chat too. So let me see. So basically, if I go to ChatGPT again, I don't know if you have the stream pulled up or not. Let me just ask you what this method does. What does this method do? And then I'll do question mark. Oh, shoot, hang on. There we go. There we go. It's below 255. Well, that's probably not correct. It'll attempt to place the lower half of the pedestal block. Uh, this will return null and the block will not be placed. So what should the value be then? If it's not supposed to be 255, is it's less than 255. Return. Okay, it's probably not supposed to be 255. I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. So with the Waystones mod, oh, hang on, let me see if he said anything on chat. So he said, like, you put blocks in the models, you update the fill gap. Sorry, I'm like seeing what this guy says as well. So you change it, one click, and you put the model on it. So change it to one click, like, it's possible. Trying to combine two blocks. Both down. Figure out. Oh, you still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, you're good. I don't. Okay, so what should this coordinate thing be then? That's what I don't know. I think this is written wrong. When it was -1, it gave me an error. So okay, get placement state. Let me see what this code looks like. Okay, so this one basically did, well, it's also using fluids, so I don't care about all that. This is why I did, that's -1. That's why I didn't. Can replace. Oh, it's different. This is different than mine. Okay. Let me try this then. Try that. I think this is right. Let's see that. Oh, I need a world, variable. There we go. Okay. I don't know if you still watch it or not. You there? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you're good. Swingers is basically a block that you make with the crying obsidian. Oh, that kind of respawn anchor. It's basically a block. Which? Alright, let's see. I might. Let's see. Let's try this. He wants me to hop on Minecraft. Well, maybe after I'm done. How about... I don't know if my... Oh, my Discord's not still on there. Okay. How about I join you in a bit? Let me, let's see if this does anything. Nope. Crashes the game. Okay. So this is not correct. So that's not correct. Alright. Oh god. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's not letting me place the block though. That's the problem I'm having right now. No, yeah, see, it just doesn't let me place it. I mean, it's loading the bottom half. I just need it. Yeah, let me give you my Discord again. Other guy. Boom. Chat. Alright, let's take a look at this. So but why would it just be lower or upper? That's what I don't understand. If it's lower, it should load the upper one as well or something? Is that what it's trying to do? Sure. Okay, let me... The mod pack, Vault Hunters. Oh, really? Hang on, let me try let me check that out. Is it a fabric mod? Let's see. Vault Hunter. Oh, this other guy in the chat, seems to know. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Might know what I might need to reference, so that's what I'm looking at right now. Wiki? Is this it? Oh, you said you're not sure. Well, it said yeah, it's a Minecraft mod. Yeah, it's a mod pack. Okay. Let me see. Is there a source code available though? That's what I need. Oh, sorry.
It's a mod pack.
Yeah. Look what he was saying. I can reference the code to like see how to do this half block crap. don't think this is it, but no, that's not it. This could be it, maybe? That's, yeah, there it is. I think this is it. Would you send me? You need it. Oh, what is that you just sent me?
It's a subreddit. Basically, like, Feed the Beast is basically the people who made the modding
Like the
area for
fabric.
Minecraft.
Oh,
Like
really?
modding in general, like they
Oh,
made it
really?
what it is.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That's cool. Did not know that.
that's the subreddit. They have all sorts of stuff.
Hmm.
It's a good subreddit. You can ask, and you usually get a response pretty quick.
Alright. Yeah, I'll have to check that out. I was checking out the, I actually went on the Fabric, Discord for a little bit. They were, a little helpful. I might do that again, honestly. I might check the Reddit out as well. Yeah, might have to, without knowing what this mod is, like, I won't know exactly. Was that modded Minecraft server? That's cool. Yeah, I'll check that Discord server as well. Dude, what in the world is all this? Oh, artifacts, this is cool. Let's see. This is all one block stuff. Oh, here we go, half lower. Oh, exactly what I need. Okay, so half lower, half upper. Okay, this guy actually may have helped me just now. So the door, so they have a custom door model, which I don't know what it looks like, but I can take a guess.
Oh wait, yeah, you
Yeah.
can use the door
Yeah,
as like the base.
like, cause it's using an
I didn't
upper
even
and
think
lower half.
about that.
Yeah, well, cause it's so it's got the block states for upper for just all in one file. So
Right.
wherever that went, where a door. So any of these doors are probably, yeah. Here we go. Let's try that. So let's go to resources. Wait. So they have. Yeah, because the fabric wastelands one is good, but like it's a lot more complicated. Like I don't know if you used that mod before, but it lets you like teleport around and stuff. It's really cool, but it's it's a little complicated. So let's see, dude. What am I looking for? Resources, assets, models. Yeah, here are models. Item. Oh, they got it all in folders. That's cool. Um. Alright, here we go. It's crazy. Never would have imagined I would have. Dang. Well, heck yeah, I guess. I mean, I might have to like take a break from this and like look at this later though. But this might be very helpful. Uh, yeah, let me. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look into this. I'm gonna keep this open, this tab open, and look at this later. But I made some progress though. Jeez. It's a 2-hour live stream. Alright, cool. Well, I guess I'll go ahead and end the live stream. Alright, sounds good. End that stream. There you go.